Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're gonna see how we can set up environment for C++ language so that we can compile and run C++ programs in our system. So first of all we need one code editor. In this series we're gonna use the VSCode editor, which is most powerful and very popular code editor. Also you can use code editor of your choice. And to download the VSCode editor we have to go to the official site called code.visualstudio.com, and from here you can download for Mac OS, Windows or Linux operating system. I am using Windows operating system, so I'm gonna click on download and the download will be started. So I have already downloaded and installed VS Studio Code, so I'm gonna cancel this. And the second thing we need is one compiler which will be used to compile the C++ programs. For Windows we have the MinGW compiler, which stands for Minimalist GNU for Windows. To download the compiler we have to go to the site called sourceforge.net/project/MinGW, and from here we can click on the download button and the download will be started. So after the completion of the download we have to right click and run as administrator, and then we have to click on the install button, and then we have to choose the directory. I'm gonna install it inside the C directory, and you have to keep everything as it is and click on continue. And now the required files will be installed in the chosen directory. Because this is going to take some time, I'm gonna fast forward for you. After the completion of download of all the files, you have to click on continue. Now we have the MinGW installation manager. From here we can download compilers for different languages, like for Ada, Fortran or even Objective-C, but we have to choose the file says MinGW32 GCC G++. We have to select that and you have to click on mark for installation and click on installation, and then click on apply changes and then click on apply. And now all the required files of our compiler will be downloaded. So after the installation of the compiler we have to set path in our environment variable. So we have to go to the C directory inside the MinGW, and inside the bin folder we have the files called g++.exe and gcc.exe. These are the files they are needed to compile and run the C and C++ programs. So we have to copy the path to the bin folder. We have to copy the path, and then we have to right click on the computer, go to properties and then advanced system settings, and then click on environment variable, and then we have to set the path. So we have to click on path, so click on edit, and inside the variable value section after one semicolon we have to paste the copied path. So I'm gonna paste it, and then you have to put one semicolon and then press OK, OK and OK, and this way we have successfully set the path. Now to check that we have set the path properly or not, we have to go to command prompt, and I'm gonna write g++ --version and then press enter. So it shows the version of the G++ compiler. So that means we have successfully set the path in our system. So to compile and run the C++ programs in VS Code we need to install one extension. So we're gonna go to the extension section and we're gonna search for Code Runner, and in the first result we have the Code Runner extension. This is one very popular extension. This can be used to run C, C++, Java, PHP, Python and so many other programming languages by just one click of a button. So this is very useful extension. So I'm gonna click on the install button to install the Code Runner extension. So we have successfully installed the Code Runner extension. So we are all set to compile and run our C++ programs inside the VS Code. So hope you have done everything properly. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.